Hello. In this video we are going to discuss two-dimensional problem and how to use ANSYS to solve this. So basically this is a plate with a center cutout hole and the force that has been applied is on the both sides. So let's jump into ANSYS and preferences. I'm going for structural. Element type is solid quad 4 node. Okay. And in elements only I have to give plane stress with thickness, so that variable I am going to define now in real constant and thickness is given as 1. Okay. Then next is material properties, material model, structural linear elastic isotropic, and the property given to me is 2.1E5 0.27. Click OK, close. Now next I am going for modeling, create, and I am going for area, rectangle, by dimensions. So by dimensions I am going for 0, 0, and I am going to make only a quarter of this, only this much part, and we are going to actually utilize symmetry. So this is 20 and this is 30. So 30 and 20. Okay, so there we have it. Now I'm going to create a circle, solid circle, at the origin with radius 5. Click on apply. So there we have it. Now I have to cut this out in from this rectangle. So I'm going for operate, boolean, subtract, areas. So basically over here you can see pick or enter the base area from which you have to subtract. So I have to subtract from this. Click apply. Now it's saying pick the areas to be subtracted. This area I have to subtract and click OK. So we have this. Now next I'm going to mesh it. I'm going for mesh tools, areas, quad, free, fine. Then I'm going to go for smart size 3, mesh, pick all. So I have already meshed this, and next thing what I am going to do is you can even refine your mesh. So you can go and refine the mesh from this place, pick all, you can give 2 or 3 whatever you want. So a very fine mesh is generated, you can see. Next thing what we are going to do is apply loads. So apply displacement and symmetric boundary conditions I'm going to apply on lines of left and bottom one. Click OK, and next thing what I'm going to do is apply the pressure. See, it's applied over a length over a area, so that's a pressure, and we have to calculate the pressure, and the pressure can be defined as 2000 divided by what would be the area. So the area is 40 into 1. So basically we have 50. So this is the value of pressure that we have to apply, and so we'll go back. I'll close this. We'll go back over here, pressure on line, this line, apply, and I'm going to apply minus 50. Minus 50 is the sign convention, since I already know it's going to point outwards. Click OK. So it's pointing outward, and this is a pressure acting on this whole line. Next I am going for solution, solve current LS. So it's already solved. just notice the constraint that we have already provided. And general post processing, I'm going for we can go for plot results, and in plot results I can go for deformed shape only. So this is the deformed shape that I am getting. Now if we want, we can also use deformed plus undeformed, so you can clearly see that was our original one, and now the plate has shrunk from the center and elongated in the longitudinal axis, so it's actually perfect. Now I'm going for deformed shape only deformed. So now if you want to see all the four parts full plate as we are seeing over here, just go to plot controls, style, symmetry expansion, periodic, and 1/4. So we have to use that. So basically we have the full shape. And next we can do is counterplot, nodal solution, and stresses. Go for von Mises stress. Okay, so these are the values of von Mises stress, maximum and minimum. Nodal loads, all item. So these are all the values of stresses that we have, and you can even plot result for nodal solution, DOF, displacement vector sum. So for now I am going for stresses, von Mises, and we can go like this. To you see this thickness, we can go for style, shape and size, and turn this on. Okay, so now we have it. If you want to animate it also, you can go for animation, deformed shape, and deformed shape only. You can reduce the delay. So basically you can see it's happening like this. So the load is applied on both the directions. It's getting it's shrinking in between, and increasing in its length in longitudinal direction.